What if your bathroom became a barbershop overnight? Meet the Bevel Pro, built to change the game again. One tool for fades, beards, lineups, and clean edges. Black finish, sleek lines, pure professional energy. Designed with barbers, made for home precision. Hold it once and feel the difference immediately. The motor cuts smoothly through thick, stubborn hair. No tugging, no dragging, just confident, clean passes. Your hands were made to bless heads. Now they can, with bevel control. Dial in sharp details with leverless gap adjustment. From low Caesar fades to crisp tempo lineups. From beard shaping to full haircut maintenance. Every trim feels intentional. Every edge looks refined. Precision becomes second nature with every movement. The display keeps your settings visible at a glance. Multiple guard options help you stay perfectly consistent. Switch styles without slowing your flow. Fast, flexible, and ready for creative grooming. Cordless freedom means no cords fighting your angle. Move around the chair, mirror, or sink effortlessly. Style and comfort wherever the moment takes you. Up to 8 hours of charge powers longer sessions. Reliable battery life keeps your routine uninterrupted. Less charging, more cutting, more control. This is barber-grade performance in a personal tool. Sharp enough for professionals, simple enough for everyone. Built for fades that look freshly done. Built for lineups that stay impressively clean. Built for beards that look intentional, not accidental. The Zero Gap blade helps deliver sharper results. Smooth transitions make blending feel almost effortless. Every detail supports a more polished finish. A grooming tool this capable earns counter space. Durable materials make it feel solid and dependable. The design looks as premium as it performs. Professional power, cordless convenience, and creative freedom. One clipper, one trimmer. Endless grooming possibilities for salons, home setups, and everyday upgrades. Turn ordinary maintenance into a sharper ritual. Bevel Pro makes every cut feel elevated. Upgrade your grooming game with confidence today. Choose the tool built to rule them all. Bevel Pro Clipper and Trimmer. Cut better, look sharper.